Hi guys, welcome to the channel. It is December 23rd evening. I'm actually working, but I'm on my break, so I'm gonna tell you if I do it good or not. So I put the 3 bag of rice in. It practically full, you know. I think the stuff them whether they can full it, but nothing else can buy. I think so. I made a dry rub it down, and then I made the glaze with. So I can just cut up them here, the things.
What's the next?
Just put in the macaroni and cheese. This girl them my Lucky Charms are complex on the top with a sugar. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. It is December 23rd evening. I'm actually working, but I'm on my break, so I decided that I am going to start packing the barrel. The only thing in it so far is some thin stuff, and this is 1 bag of rice. We need to put in the other one then, but what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna tie up the rice in the Walmart bag them, so in case them damage. So that I'm gonna do. I never pack barrel before. I'm the first time I pack it, and I exit I put in them thin stuff there to help me. Cause I don't have a clue. I watch one video myself on Instagram. I watch one video myself on Instagram. Let me see video here. I don't know, I'm gonna set up my camera. Let me see if I can put it on my tripod. Alright. Oh shit. Maybe I take bad things, man. Joke on my bag there. Put on my bag. Alright, put on my bag. Don't have a clue what I'm doing. So I just put in the rice, and the rice drop right through. Oh God, I am having a rough time. Cause I don't know what I do. Alright, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the rice stem down and then put the rest of the thing, some of them around the edge. Alright, that is not a bad idea. Alright, so that's a 2 bag of rice in there now. Alright, I don't think this can hold in a Walmart bag. Alright, I'm gonna try. Why all of a sudden it has to get so hot? And I can't get that, you see? From my house, my hot. No, sir. Alright. See what I'm going. And I get it, and I know. Bumbo. Excuse me. The bag just popped. Alright, let's just hope for the best and say it no boss. That's all I can do. Alright, this no looks safe. Come in and know me I don't know. Alright, so what me I do so far? Somebody tell me if me I do it good or not. So I put the 3 bag of rice them in there. And then I go put some stuff like around it. I don't know what I do. I don't know. Xavier put Zaya to sleep. So when time him come back, you will see. He will tell me if me I do it wrong or right. Alright, mega put the mega put mega put some peas around it and then mega put them sausage there. No, for secure it. I don't know, you know. I don't know. But I'm trying. I don't know people do this all the time, you know. Cause this is not easy something to do. Knocks you. It's not easy. But we're moving. Guys, the tape finish. So I don't have no more tape to tape up the stuff them. So I'm gonna continue the packing of the barrel tomorrow. It practically full, you know. I think the stuff them whether they can full it. But nothing else can buy. I think so. And tomorrow is Christmas Eve and I am working as well. See you tomorrow when I'm finishing the packing. It's 3:47 and my first break is at 4:30. And guess what? I was gonna say it's New Year's Eve, it's Christmas Eve. Xavier is already home from work. Why am I whispering? I think it's because my headphone is on my ears. Yeah. So I feel like I need, but I would have to talk loud. I don't know. So them I come there. They can't stay upstairs, you know. Them love me. Zaya is a little nice, but and I make be nice. So them there. Them have to come. Because me down here, they can't stay upstairs. Hi guys, welcome back to the video. I forgot, Xavier just reminded me that I was making a video, so I just finished with the ham. This is the glaze I made. It had pineapple juice, cherry juice, brown sugar, seasoning like all-purpose, those type of seasoning, cloves, allspice, stuff like that. And I should tell you that I put the ham in the oven first with like I put the ham in the oven first for 1 hour because the ham is already cooked. I'm basically just warming it up. So I'm put it in there for 1 hour with pineapple juice and cherry juice and honey, and then I put it in there for warm up. And for the hour, it 1 30 minutes. When I took it out, I made a dry rub it down, and then I made the glaze with the rest of the dry rub, pineapple juice, the little cherry juice, and seasoning and stuff, and put it back on there now. And then I put on the pineapple slices and the cherries, and then I gonna put it back in the oven for about 30 minutes. And then that is that. The next thing that I did was, let me show you, oxtail. It not cook up yet, me just pressure it because tomorrow is our only day off because I'm not working tomorrow, but I'm working tonight. So that's what I'm doing, I should say. I am doing the cooking. I'm not sure if I can do the cake tonight. I think probably I can do the cake tonight. And I am going to do the cake tonight. And it's the second time I'm baking a cake. Please be gentle with me. Excuse me. Anyway, as I was saying, I gotta put back the ham now. The oxtail already pressure. I just need to cook it up with add my butter bean or whatever, and I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow morning. So I am well on my way, and I'm gonna do the rice and peas tomorrow, and bake macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I think I'm I think I'm basically finished. So I'm gonna put this in there and then I'm gonna mix up the cake or whatever. Probably on my break. So stay tuned for the video, guys. Got me now on my mind, guys. I am mixing up the cake. So I'm creaming the butter and the sugar in these. I'm sure this are on my buy. What eggs they grab it. It's a brand called Ocho Rios. 3 of these. My camera battery I did. Mega plug it in and charge it. May watch Clarity Flicks. That is a YouTuber from St. Thomas. My battery I did. So mega plug it in and then come back. But I still going to continue doing what I do. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's Christmas Day. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I am going to cook up the oxtail. I already prepared from last night and everything, so now we just need to cook it up. So
I got a lot of everything from last night, so we don't waste with day. I cook all day.
Just get it outside. And I think I have the butter bean them in here, so we need for also no remember what me that say. Strain off the sorrel and sweeten it, and then I also need to put on the rice and put the macaroni and cheese in the oven. So I think I'm gonna just cook the oxtail first, put them here in there, and while them here in there, I start grate the cheese and my everything for the macaroni and cheese. Where's my mic? I always don't have my mic. I have my mic. Let me see if it not turn on. I think Xavier said I do everything last night. I already do the ham. I bake the cake. Everything I do. So I gotta just cut up them here, the onion and the sweet pepper them, and start. So stay tuned.
Alright guys, so this is the sorrel. We boiled it from last night, so it was sitting overnight. I'm gonna take it out of this container and try to strain it.
Came here, guys. Xavier strained sorrel and made that video. This is all of the sorrel we get. I use 3 bags, and it look like it's a lot. The sorrel looks so good.
Only thing missing from my sorrel is rum.
Don't have no white rum, but we did buy red label. I put some in a cake. Buy tobacco. I think I can make some more juice with the I boil the ginger. I boil whole heap, you know, and it not even smell like ginger did in there. What me I gonna do?
It's
Eh?
gonna be alright.
I gonna be alright? I like when time it's having ginger and you can taste it.
Maybe I buy the fake ginger. Maybe a GMO ginger you buy.
Maybe a GMO ginger.
Maybe that's why. That's why it come out like that. Yeah, sweeten it now?
Yeah, after
Alright
I
guys,
level
so
17 now, you know.
we should like a sweeten the sorrel.
I don't want 4 o'clock to catch me.
And then we're gonna start cook the rice. Cause we don't want to in the kitchen all day.
If you take my little day off and done it at cook.
No.
I want to
One
relax
day
and watch a
off,
little movie.
tomorrow a regular work day, so we have to make sure that
I want to relax the and watch a little movie. Why you put face tracking pan there?
so me move up now. Alright, so you ready? Can't find a cover for that. Almost.
If you ask me where you must do one more time, I'm going to tell us if you go sit down.
Go and sit down, my youth. That's how we do forget out that stuff, you know.
Yes,
Just keep her
weaponizing
off.
competence.
What must the next? And she's gonna be like, you know what, I'm not need it. Go and go sit down. I'm not gonna be like, yes.
Weaponizing competence, that's called.
Mission accomplished.
Then they don't want to do nothing. And then pretend like they don't know what they might do.
My girl.
Look out feet. Look
So,
out
so,
feet.
so we're gonna do this again and we're gonna freeze it till next year.
What?
Sorry.
Freeze what till next Come say that man yeah. Freeze what till next year.
We're gonna freeze it, we're gonna freeze it.
What am I talking about freezing
We're gonna
next
put it
year?
on the ice and use it next year again. What do you mean? Three bag of flour.
I think anytime this finish, I can just sweeten them. Throw some water on that and make some more. I don't know why I make so much, you know.
I don't know why you make 3 bags. We are cooking.
I tell you to buy 2 bags and you buy 3. So I think you want 3.
You make sorry for you and your ancestors them. You give
I make
ancestors them some.
sorry for the whole like people them in our neighborhood.
Development. So here you go. Thank you. Good girl.
More sugar.
You're welcome.
What's the red label? I think we need to take out some Josiah before I put in the red label. Josiah cook there.
You want to put it in there?
Yeah, put it in there.
In that thermos?
Yeah. I'm gonna take out some Josiah before me put it in. People put allspice and anything in them, and I like that in there.
Where I go? Nah. Oh Lord.
I'm gonna taste the ginger. I'm gonna ask you.
You taste the ginger?
Taste it.
You should have put some pimento in it, you know.
Me not like piment. One thing, me not going.
Should have put some pimento in it, man. Zaya.
You taste it. Hi guys, we reached far. Forgot for show no. I just put in the macaroni and cheese. Reach way far, sorry. I not remember say what me I do. I not remember at all. See me here. So I mix up the macaroni and in a this and then I put it in a this. You know you have to do it layers by layers. This is the same macaroni that I made for Thanksgiving. I forgot it in the I forgot it in the oven and it did burn up. I forgot it in the oven and it burned up. So may I do it all back. But even though it did burn up, some part of it still tastes good. Can we still eat it? Alright, see it here now. I'm gonna put the rest of the cheese on the top and then sprinkle some paprika on it. And then in there for about 30 minutes. And then broil it so that it get that crispy top. I'm gonna broil it after me bake it. Alright, I'll eat this. I'll eat this, yes, so. Zaya, what you throwing in there? I'll eat this right, yes, so. Go on to your father, girl. Go on to your father. Alright, see it here now. This is how it look. And then I'm gonna put some paprika on it. Paprika. And now with this. Shit, may have stuff in the oven from middle. This is my ham. Xavier already cut off piece I eat. This is my cake, moist and nice. We already cut piece of this last night. Put them over this so. And turn on the oven for bake. 350 start. This is the only thing I have left now. I just need to do my rice and peas. I finish cook everything. So now I'm going to straighten up at the place. Alrighty. So every whipping cream I'm going to put in my macaroni. You still not practice so fire police?
My kitchen police.
What do you? Police who? Yes.
The Christmas police.
No, me alright.
No, it's not from my lap.
Move right so. Move the man. You're not going. God. So, what I bean? I broke off this something. Them peas here may I use gungo peas. From your throat sorrel until now. I know you can't finish.
Sorrel a fart up. Blood clot. What's the matter, my friend? I think I'm going to do that. Aye.
Oi! Man said that was sense.
I think I'm going to do that this time.
Carry about the place.
Every day I learn something new, you know.
I love that for you. You just a learn and a grow. Yeah.
I'm a head bigger than a bigger.
At least you learn more things to fill up your big head.
Zaya!
What Zaya climb up? It's probably Father God.
Hi, girl.
So Zaya climb up. Look at Zaya, she. I'm thirsty. Guys, this is where I'm at with the barrel. It's full and there are stuff right there. So we have to get a cardboard box. So I think Saturday I'm gonna go to Home Depot and get a box, a large one, and then put them stuff here in there and other stuff because it's not a lot of stuff. I have one more macaroni and cheese. The one them that in the cup thing, and one supposed to in there in the barrel. There some of the ramen in the barrel. None of the cereal them not in there. Cause there's a Lucky Charms that are cornflakes, pancake mix, no, and them here body care stuff. So Saturday now, Saturday now, me gonna go at Home Depot and get the box and then pack the box. Not too bad for the first time I am packing one. I think we can put like the cereal them like Lucky Charms or cornflakes on the top. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I think we'd have to try. But as I say, I'm gonna go Home Depot to get a box and then show you guys what I'm gonna do.